Trading day. Yeah, it's a new trading day. The date is August 14th, 2026. We're going to go over the one trade I made today. Today I made $735 across my two accounts. So 14 something. I don't know the exact amount. It's in the title. Today was good. Today was actually really smooth. I'm not going to lie. I second guessed myself for a second. And then I realized that if I continue to do this, I'm going to be missing out on too many trades. So I decided to actually go with my gut. I've been saying, oh, go with your gut, go with your gut. All of my past videos, I've been saying that for probably like months now. So I decided to finally do it, and I made a clean trade, whatever. Went break even decently fast. And I was honestly gonna hold all the way up to here, but I decided not to. But yeah, we're gonna go over everything on this trade. I don't know, so I'm still like, I don't know why I'm like stuttering right now. I have things to do right after this, so I need to rush this a little bit though. Coming into the day, what was I seeing? We're actually pretty high. I was looking at Asia yesterday. We didn't have much movement. I was trying to make a trade there, but we didn't move very much. But coming into the market, we're pretty high up there. We're gonna reach all-time highs. I wouldn't be surprised. Let's see. All-time highs is up here. I do think we're gonna eventually reach this. It's gonna be a few weeks, but I do think it's eventually gonna happen. Coming to today, I saw this 4-hour below. We weren't hitting that, but I did mark it out just in case. And then I saw a 1-hour below, 2 1 hours below. And it's funny, when market opened, I was literally in the bathroom. I was in the bathroom, bro, and I was super late. And I was like, oh, I'm probably not gonna trade today, because I hate coming to the market super late. But I was like, it's Friday. We're just gonna still look at this, see what happens. So I missed kind of market open, but as I was coming back, I saw that I think it was bouncing off of a 5-minute. Saw having rejection off of it, but I was bullish for the day just because how price has been looking for the past few days on the 4-hour. As you see, we're just going up. We're just going up. So I was like, okay, what was I thinking? I wanted to see price actually open low, come down into this 1-hour or into both these 1 hours, have rejection off of it, and obviously take a long. Really simple. I mean, like, really simple. I'm not gonna lie. Especially when market is this bullish, there's no reason to think bearish. I feel like that's pretty obvious. So yeah, market. Actually, it came down right away. Wow. No, it came up for a second here. Came up into this 5-minute. I was hopefully thinking it was like, okay, maybe it's a 15-minute. No, it was just a 5. Came up into this 5-minute. So I was like, okay, had this 1-hour marked, right? Price came all the way through it, and it kept on going. So I was like, okay, there's something I'm missing, and I saw another 1-hour right below that. Boom, another 1-hour right below that. So I'm like, okay, so if market is bullish, it should bounce off this 1-hour. Like if market is extremely bullish, it should bounce off this 1-hour and not care about this 4-hour way down below. And that's exactly what happened. Price came down, came to this 1-hour, came to this 1-hour, had a reaction off of it. It made a small 1 minute for value gap and a larger 30-second for value gap. And I was originally going to enter off of this like the retest of this fair value gap. That's what I do, and I don't know why. That's something I need to get better at. But I enter off of like the retest of the fair value gap. So for instance, if we were going off based off this 30-second, I would enter off of the midpoint, price coming down to this midpoint. Now that actually never would have happened, so I never would have got my entry, which I didn't get my entry at the beginning of it. Price came all the way up, and I thought, okay, I missed out on this trade. That's really annoying. And then once it started to come back down, and I realized that there was a bullish gap. So I was like, okay, so price is probably going to come enter this bullish gap, excuse me. So I put my entry right at this bullish gap right here. We'll get rid of this one. So I was like, price is going to enter this bullish gap. So I put my entry right here. Price entered. I was in drawdown maybe, I don't even know, like such a small amount. I don't even know. Let's see. I was in drawdown $47, under $50, and then price just went straight up. Now at this point, when I saw it going straight up, I didn't have my TP set. I actually had, when I drew out my order here, I had it just for a 1-to-1 like this. So I think I had my TP at this high right here, and I was like, okay, if it's gonna go higher, like just in case it does go higher, I'm just gonna put my TP right here, bang, put my sell order, and right when I set that, because I was gonna hold, but I was like, I'm just gonna take, my piece of the pie, and so yeah, I put my sell order a little bit higher above that, and I was like, if it hits it, whatever. And if it doesn't, worst can happen is I go break even. And right when I set it, it hit it right away, hit my TP right away, and I got out. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I mean, super easy. This was like a super textbook day. I think literally a beginner trader would have cashed out on this trade. Super simple, super easy. Um, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's really all I have today. I was thinking about taking another one. Um, Not like 100%, but I was just continuing to look. Um, but I didn't see anything, and I was like, let me just chill. Made over 1,400 on the day, so I'm probably gonna chill for the rest of the day. I actually do need to help my parents pack because we are moving. But yeah, pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys have any advice, please leave in the comment section below. Let me know what I could do better. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, peace.